Hi, hello, and welcome to Vista Academy Road. Let us start our preparation for physics for NEET 2025. Right. After seeing this whole entire question with the networks, we feel little complicated and it is like time lagging. Let us see how we have to solve within fraction of seconds without any further delay. The question is, the effective resistance between A and B in the given circuit is, they are asking what is the effective resistance from the node A to node B, right? And without any further delay, here all the resistors are connected in series and parallel, but without making more complication of connecting in series and parallel, we have a shortcut trick, that is, when all the resistors are connected in 3 and 6 ohms. So let us see how we are going to find it. From A to B, whatever the resistor it is connected, it is 3 ohms, right? So when the two resistors are connected and the least number is taking the downward resistor, there is a shortcut to prove, that is RAB, equivalent resistance, will be proved as they are connected in parallel. So 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. Parallel connection is nothing but R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So which is equal to 18 by 9, 9 ones are 9 twos are. So our answer goes with the 2, right? So here the 2 ohms is the correct answer whenever we are having lowest number in the downward resistor. Now let us see the same similar question which is related with the same. The effective resistance between A and B in the given circuit we have to find out. Here all the resistors are connected with 5 ohms and 10 ohms, right? So here just remember that A and B is connected with the higher ohm resistor, means higher digit number. So for this condition, when it is like a smallest number, we have done parallel connection, right? But for the highest digit number, when it is connected with 5 and 10, the answer directly goes for 5 ohms. So for no other reason, we no need of doing all the calculation. Just remember that if it is 5 and 10, the resistor which is connected in the downward direction, if it is the highest number it is taking, then our answer goes with the 5 ohms. So here our answer is 5 ohms. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for our more updates in the physics NEET 2025, and let us prepare together for NEET 2025. Follow us on Instagram ID Vista Academy Erode, and also subscribe to our channel for more updates Vista Academy Erode. Thank you so much. Signing off.